What's up YouTube, Airsoft Speedy here with another gameplay video from the Airsoft Den in Strasburg, Ohio. It's a brand new field and there are a lot of cool things being built there right now. I don't want to give away too much, but there are some things I can tell you. They are building a small-scale neighborhood with a bunch of buildings for urban fighting. Among these buildings are multiple two-story houses with separate rooms for CQB-style fighting. All buildings will be complete with magnetic doors that can be breached during gameplay. There are other awesome things being built at the Airsoft Den, but I don't want to ruin the surprises for you. Yet. On to the video.
Am I good? Go behind you.
Go.
I'm going up to this tree. Okay, can you not shoot me in the back?
Yeah. I'm it.
He's over there. He's right on the other side. Go, go, go. Hit him. Dude, he's right there. Hey. I knew that was you down there because you tan helmet. Nice job. Good hits, George. Hey, am I safe to be ballsy and push up to the water jug?
Yeah, the great one?
Yeah, right in front of us.
Oh, yeah, go for it.
Hey guys, if you want to cover me, I'm gonna run up to that water jug.
I can cover you.
Shoot. I think so.
Did you break anything?
Let's find out.
Maybe a little dirt in general?
That's what I'm about to. Dude, I fell on the gun. I'm good. Got him. Got him.
Move up to the gate.
He's right. Got him.
Move up, move up, move up. Go.
Leapfrog. Leapfrog. Got him.
Cover me while I push it.
Alright. We're not allowed to push up any further.
No, this is the line.
Then they could just
That's their
stay
spawn
there.
right there.
Are you serious? We're all the way?
Yeah, we're all the way. Can we just go flush them out and call it a game?
I mean, yeah, I want to.
That sounds epic.
It does. I want to get a pistol kill. I really do. I have not gotten one yet.
I have 3 rounds.
Go.
Right side, right side. Here, let me see it, let me see it, let me see it.
Thanks.
I like that.
It's just a combat machine.
Is it?
Yeah.
18 or 16?
CM16. Yeah, Raider.
You're our main line of defense right now, Jeremy. I wish you knew that.
Whoa, hit! My back was sticking out. I'm an idiot. It didn't really hit me, it just hit my clothing, but I'm gonna call it. Need a mag.
I'm good.
It's coming.
I'm it.
Hit!
I'm on my last.
Me too.
Okay, I'm dead.
Got him. Look at! Nice. I'm pissed, but nice because I ran out. Good job. Was it your tactic just to wait back there long enough for us to think that you were all dead and then bum rush us? Was that it?
We're all dead.
So then what happened?
Russ gave us enough room to respawn.
Okay, alright. I'd say that that was an equivalent of Lone Survivor. Because there were 4 of us, and then it started to hit the fan real quick. As soon as I ran out, I got shot. If I wouldn't have run out, I may have gotten like 2 more people. It's like Call of Duty, your controller starts to rumble, and the screen comes to life, and you know you're driving somewhere, and everybody's loaded up.
Go. Jeremy going for a night kill.
No. Got him. Oh, no way. That was threading the needle. That's what that was. It had to have been me because I was the only one of us that was shooting at that time.
That's it for today's gameplay. If you liked this video, be sure to leave a like and a comment down below. And if you really liked it, subscribe to the channel. Be on the lookout for the outtakes from this video. That should be coming next week. Everyone, this is Airsoft Speedy. Have a fantastic day.